Yeah, got to record. I had the reason why that stopped because the space getting filled. Alright, so the video where I'm gonna do just now kind of stopped because the space get full up and I forget to delete. Um, so I had to make case delete some files and start again. So like I mentioned in the last video, part one after part one that I did in a Japan area and I there with one store owner, one local. Yeah, and me and him they reminisce so to speak. We made the talk about 9/11 just now because I never even realized that today that the anniversary, the 26th, sure? 26th anniversary, yeah, 9/11. Yeah, man, so what we plan to do in the future? Continue to live the Belize or migrate?
I got move there.
No way
In
to
the
go.
country.
You are like
Born
me.
at Belize and dead at Belize.
Alright.
So have no way to go at this point of time. Maybe out of the area, but not out of the country.
Don't say
No?
it, don't say it,
Guys, we're free.
don't say it.
Free. No,
Um,
we can't pick up freedom.
yeah.
So
Um, so, well, like you mentioned, that this community really quite, not much to go on, that I
yeah,
like it.
it's
Yeah.
a nice community with Japan era.
Mm-hmm.
About 8%, and we like it this way because we don't have much activities around here.
Okay.
Like me, like clubs and
Mm-hmm.
kind of thing, bar and everything. So
Yeah.
keep the era peaceful this kind of way. So
Don't say it.
prefer the bar on the front pages and the other icon and make our home and relax.
Excellent.
Have a good party with peace and quietness, you know.
Old
You know?
school party,
Yeah.
where just a lot of love, right?
I don't party man anyway. I prefer
But for we party, how we used to party,
couple
different
friends
than
around.
now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just enjoy
Couple
yourself
around,
and
couple
yeah.
bedroom round and take anything and drink and
Yeah.
talk and you know.
That party? Yeah, for we kind of party.
Just call it socialize.
Yes, sir. Yeah, for we kind of party.
That's good for me right there.
Yeah.
You know?
Back in the day, jump up party. When you say party or jump up, that totally different meaning than how we view party back in a free time. All right, Pops. Well, push on. But thanks very much for say hi to my viewers. Chatted me a little bit.
Again, right?
Yeah, man. You don't know.
Take care.
And I hope we see you in the future.
I tell her right there.
Don't say it.
Go on, come, I'll be right there.
Don't say it, nobody. Take care. Stay safe.
Enjoy.
I try not get wet. I enjoy the rain though, but I try not get wet.
I enjoy it. No, we're going to go with it, but enjoy the weather.
Alright, don't say it. We'll do. Take care, buddy. Enjoy the rest of your day. Creole boy. Yeah. Check you see yourself. Yes, I respect. I'll upload it next week Thursday. Yes, I. All right. So yeah, on a couple of videos where I had to get rid of, where I don't deal with, that may create some issues. So I'm not sure if this that is lane or final right now. I think so. I think this that is this is the road where the look pan. Yeah, I never realized that today is 9/11. If you guys see me turning back, then you know this is the wrong street. This is not the street I want to go on. It's been a while, for sure. Yeah, this area really nice and cool. Not much they happen, not much going on, and that's how I like it. That's the way I like it. Make I know if you not used to live in the Japan area, if you don't know anybody where used to live in the Japan area, make I know. So this is the street, yep. So I have two ways you could hit this one. From the area where I just show no, and the area where I just come from, and then this is the street where you want to meet up to, and this one carry out to the Old Northern Highway. So if you don't notice the kids in school uniforms, that's primary school. For anyone visiting the channel for the first time and can't understand Creole, Belize Creole, well, speaking a little English for you guys. So again, this is Belize City, and this is a rural part of Belize. Name is Ladyville, and it's expanding. And this area is mainly, for the most part, a residential area. And as you can see, the kids are dressed, they have uniforms, and our school for lack of a better word, setup is, you know, in the States you have grades, grade 1, grade 2, and so forth. In Belize you have standard. You have preschool, and then you have standard 1 to standard 6. That's primary school. Like I mentioned, you have preschool before, I think 1 or 2 years, and then after that for infants. Then you have primary school, then high school, form 1 to 4. Then you have sixth form, 2 years, where you get your associate degree. And then after that, you have university. And of course, the associate degree, 2 more years, and you can possess your bachelor's degree. Then after that comes master, and then, well, you know, doctorate degree. So that's a little about the school system for those who are new to the channel. And here in Belize, we speak English, official language, and we speak Belize Creole. And then you have Spanish. So those are the three predominantly spoken languages in Belize, English being the official language. So normally I speak Creole on this channel, but sometimes I will do a little English, just for the ones that can't understand the Creole. Alright, so that's a little, again, for those ones who just came around for, you know, seeing what's up with the channel. Thank you so much. If you like the content, please subscribe, share, comment, and of course, this is me showing Belize from my perspective, authentic perspective. So as I get more time, I want to do other areas of Belize, including the Keys. But I'm in the process of getting some more equipment, like to create better quality and also create more interesting content. All right, so this is the old Northern Highway, and this road, you could take this road, this main road, and this will take you straight up to Mexico via to the United States as well. And this is about 8 miles from the city. All right, take care, stay safe, man. Love you guys. Thanks again for viewing, and I'll see you all later. Leave you all with some sight and sounds. Bye.